what's going on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
As long as I'm not in your way.
Okay, this quest is actually supposed to be kill
Paarthunax.
Paarthunax.
Yeah.
There's Paarthunax. There's my companion from the Dawn Guard.
Yep.
So I'm going to try using Storm Call, which doesn't just hit him, it hits everything.
Which this will be funny if it does what it was. Yeah. Here we go again.
Oops, my companion got zapped. Oh, shoot. Oh, now he's attacking.
It's even funnier than when it happened the first time, and now he's attacking. Before he was just sitting there. There we go. And your buddy dragon's helping out.
Is it? No, that's the...
I thought that was the one you summoned. The other one. You got him. Even though I think it's mean, but...
Yeah, I know.
Meanie. Because he's a cool dragon, but... I'm all for Paarthunax. He obviously is not, because he sucks.
Okay. Now...
You're carrying too much.
I know.
Oh well.
I'm keeping an eye on her.
She's still a little lightning-y. There we go.
Let me see how long it takes.
Yeah, and that's why I'm still recording. Crispy vampire. Fried.
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
Oh, wait. Here we go. She gets back up. She gets it back down. She gets that. She gets back up.
She gets back down again in a minute.
There we go. She goes back down.
Up, down, up, down.
She gets back up.
Jeez.
And apparently the storm is ending.
And apparently that means that this video is ending in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go, people. That's some weird dragon killing and a crispy vampire.
Yeah.